In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove page breaks in Google Sheets so your printouts look clean and properly formatted. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open your Google Sheets file and go to the top menu. Click on File and then select Print. This will open the print preview screen. Now, look to the right side and find the option that says Custom Page Breaks. Click on Edit Custom Page Breaks to view them. You'll now see blue lines across your sheet. These lines show where the page breaks are placed. To remove a page break, move your cursor over one of these lines. When the cursor changes, click on the small handle or X and the line will disappear. If you prefer, you can also click and drag the page break line completely outside the sheet area to remove it. Repeat this for any unwanted page breaks until your layout looks clean and organized. Once you're done, click Confirm Breaks to save your changes. And that's it. Your Google Sheets will now print without unwanted page breaks, giving you a much cleaner result. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.